Okay, today I just wanted to share a little resource that I use constantly, and I thought it would be helpful for any profession, whether you're the librarian or a teacher. This is a very helpful tool that I like to use when creating documents or communicating with other educators. And it's called the Snipping Tool. And this tool is super helpful because you can go down and simply just type here into Snipping Tool. You may already know about this tool, but a lot of my friends at school do not. And when I show them how to use this, they really appreciate it. So I thought I would share today. But you go Snipping Tool. Did you see? I'm going to show you one more time to make sure you see. You go down to your tools, type in Snipping Tool, select here. And you need to make sure that you drag this little box away from where you're going to capture a screenshot, because if you keep it too close, like for example right here, and I hit new, the box is going to be in the way of where you want to take a screenshot. So let's try that again. I'll just cancel and drag it away. Okay, so I thought maybe as a librarian, if you had a teacher ask you to share the level of books on for AR, you could take a screenshot using the snipping tool. You just hit new, and you take your cursor and select whatever area of your screen that you'd like to take a capture image of. Let go. You can copy and paste it into an email. You can save it to your computer. You can copy and paste it into a Word document. Maybe you're creating a list of books that are a certain AR level, that way students can easily find them. You could use this tool to create a document and put into a binder, that way students can find books that are related to their AR goal. You could also use this, I'm just going to say no, I don't want to say. You could also use this if you are going to search for a book in an online catalog. So for example, if I'm a parent that wanted to go find a book at the library, but I didn't want to waste my time looking it up when I got there, I could either take a screenshot on my phone or I could email it to myself. But if you didn't have any of those, you could use your snipping tool to take a picture of the call number. You could also use this if you were gone one day, like you had a sub at the library, and maybe a teacher was wondering where to find a book and you weren't there and emailed you about it. You could use this to quickly look it up, take a screenshot, email it back. That way she could just go into the library and find it easily. But anyway, I really enjoyed this tool, found it super helpful, so I hope that you did too.